Hi everybody, so it's auction time, live auction October 2nd at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, hosted on my channel. This is a great opportunity for those of you who have never attended one of my live auctions to own a piece of my work, and the prices are usually pretty significantly reduced from what you would get if you purchased it outright on my website. But I do this partially because I want to thank my YouTube viewers and all of my followers. This is a great way for you to own a piece of my art, and like this beautiful piece, will be number one, the first one on the docket. It'd be 10 by 20. It's all acrylics, very pretty. I love this piece, and that will be up for auction. Number two is also 10 by 20. This is a mixed media piece that I did, and there's a video for this one. It is alcohol inks on canvas with acrylic pour. So there's just a lot going on in this lovely piece. It's been sealed with a UV protectant, so the alcohol inks will be safely sealed there and will not fade, and then finish with a gloss, Golden's gloss spray varnish. So that's a really pretty piece. I love the depth of those flowers. Number three is a 10 by 20 canvas acrylics. You saw me do this one last live Friday, and that's the spray paint your pour. Look at how pretty that looks. I love this painting, and if you guys get an opportunity to own this painting, trust me when I tell you, in person it is so gorgeous. And here it is dried. Very vibrant and metallic, shimmery, beautiful. So number four is two 10 by 20s. It's a diptych, and this is the pretty reds and golds, and just kind of like an Aztec gold and bronze is running through this. This would be beautiful hung in either direction. I tried it both ways. Looks great hung together, up and down, vertically or horizontally. So just a lot of pretty shimmer in that one, but the red is really striking, and I just love the movement of these two pieces together. So this is a really interesting piece. Diptych. Number five is a 10 by 20 canvas, and this was also a spray your pour. Do you guys remember I did this on my live? Do you see the lion? There is a lion hiding in this one, peering out of the bushes right there. So cool. I love this piece. Really a special one. And then number six is a 9 by 11 acrylic. This one is all metallics. It was very difficult to photograph. Now this video is prior to varnishing. Now I've put a gloss spray on it by Golden to try to really bring out the metallics, and it's very hard to see, but this one has a lot of texture and a lot of depth and a lot of shimmer, and I use all different kinds of bronze metallics and that fiery red copper, just really pretty metallics on that one. This is number seven, is a 20-inch oval, and this is such a pretty piece. One of my viewers said they could see, it was almost like when you're down at the bottom of water swimming up towards the top and the lights coming through. It's a really beautiful, interesting piece with gorgeous balloon rolls on it. So number eight is a 16-inch round canvas. This is stunning. I wish I could show you in person. So many pretty details with the Golden's high flow pearl running throughout. This was a dip that I added my famous balloon rolls to. Look at the coloring on this one. Look at that. The turquoise popping through there, so pretty. I'm shocked this one hadn't sold. I'm totally in love with it that I changed my whole website to reflect this painting. And look at that pretty dendrite. Isn't that gorgeous? I couldn't repeat that if I tried. But yeah, this one's very shimmering, lots of texture on this one. It's been finished with a high gloss golden spray varnish, just to bring out some of those pretty metallics. And that's a 16-inch round canvas. You cannot go wrong with it. Number 9 is also a 16-inch round, and this is a different style for me. Look at the golden cords coming down from the sky. Those were all hand painted. This is mixed media, and I'm in love with this one. This is a great painting for a man if you're wanting to buy something for an office or something like that. Number 10, 16-inch oval canvas. I love this one too. It has so many beautiful patterns and just little details in it. I finished the outside with high flow pearl all the way around the edges, and every once in a while a little dendrite will pop out, and the black and white flowers are really special on this one. This one also has a lot of texture. Now, it was created, I believe, with the GAC 800, so it just has really finished beautifully. But I also took the golden spray varnish. I'm trying to show you some of look at the textures on that one. This is a very textured painting. It's a dip. And then I added the balloon rolls to it. But again, just lots of movement, pretty colors. The black and white really offsets all of those shimmering blues. And gold, bronze, coppers in there. And of course that ring of the high flow pearl around the edge. Really pretty one. Number 11 is a very, look at how tropical it is. Just beautiful. It's a 16 by 20 canvas, and look at the shimmer on those metallic paints. This is pre-varnished, y'all. It hasn't even been varnished yet, so when it does get varnished, it's going to be even more bright. It's a very happy and bright painting. So for all of you that are going to join me for my auction, I also always include a couple bonus pieces that I don't show. It's just at the last minute. I usually have a surprise. But I hope to see you all there October 2nd, Friday 5 live Pacific Standard Time on my channel. And I can't wait to make more art videos for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.